Given the background of this case and the decision of Judge Grine granting a new trial, it is not an easy decision for the Commonwealth to decide how best to proceed, and it's been one that our office has examined, thought upon, and spent a great deal of time making. After 44 years, some of the Commonwealth witnesses are dead. Some of our evidence is no longer available. Witnesses' memories have faded, and the realities of a new trial 44 years later is made complicated by the passage of time. Nevertheless, given the work that's been done by our legal team and the forensic experts, I conclude clearly that Mr. Kinzer was killed by a .25 caliber pistol. That evidence was good 40 years ago, and it's good today. Nevertheless, the facts remain that trying a case 44 years later will be extremely difficult, and the probabilities of success are not what they would have been 44 years ago. We have made the decision to forego further prosecution in this manner. Some of the factors that weighed on my decision are the fact that the defendant was 19 at the time of the death of Mr. Kinzer, the murder of Thomas Kinzer, and that he has had 44 years of confinement with no reported issues that lead one to conclude that he does not pose a threat to the public going forward. It's my conclusion that the interests of justice, the interests of the Commonwealth, the interests of the citizens of Center County, they are served by this 44-year prison sentence, and not served by going forward further. The action our office is taking today does not reflect on the quality of the State College Police Department investigation. It was then and is now a compelling case of forensic evidence and a thorough investigation. Given the implication of Judge Grine's opinion, the real-life difficulties of trying this case now, and that 44 years is a sufficient sentence for a murder committed when someone was 19 years old, we will today file a request that the case be dismissed. It is not a decision that has been made lightly. Nevertheless, everything that has occurred thus far leads me to believe that it is a just decision.